Welcome to MST School of Trading. Dear traders, our MST iCore 2.0 indicator is working on every market in all kind of situation. Whatever be the situation, whether it be election day or budget day or war in global market, whatever be the reason, it doesn't matter. Our indicator will perform well. Now, we are having only two versions. One is iCore 2.0, another one is iTrend 2.0. This iTrend 2.0 only if you will get only if you buy iCore 2.0. But we don't recommend immediately both the indicators for the fresher. You start with iCore 2.0, you practice it, then you can get the iTrend 2.0. So where you will be getting these indicators? The indicators will be available for subscription basis. Go to the indicator settings, straight away scroll down to invite only here. Here you will find our indicator. Just give a click on it and automatically your indicator will be added to your chart. That's all. So now as usual I will start with Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty I am selecting. Index I am selecting. Okay. So now we will be trading with the first iCore 2.0. Go to the settings and give a reset settings. That's all. Nothing else we are going to do. Yesterday I have not released video. Yesterday what happened? First three candles are having very Bahubali candle. So we will not be taking the sell entry immediately. We will wait for the confirmation. So what happened? Second buy activated and all the targets have been hit yesterday. So I will enable the second buy targets and show you. So second buy activated, first target, second target hit. Usually we will be keeping only tiny to stop loss and tiny to target for the Bank Nifty. Do not forget. So now if you see here, first target, second target, third target, and we can enable fourth target and fifth target, that also hit exactly. So now today what happened? Once again I will go here and I will give reset settings. Today in Bank Nifty as usual buy activated. Okay. So now I have kept in 15 minutes. I will change to 1 minute time frame. So that you will understand where we got exact entry, whether we got stop loss or not. So here we got the entry. At 9:48 we got the entry and we know in advance that which strike price we have to select. At 9 o'clock it's at 9:15 itself we will be knowing what is the buy strike price, what is the sell strike price. I mean what is the C strike price we have to choose and what is the P strike price we have to choose. So at 9 o'clock we will be knowing that we have to take 51,600 call option buy or 51,700 call option. That is first bottom line or second bottom line. If the market is coming to touch the sell zone, top zone, then we will be taking 52,200 put option or 52,300 put option. Now what happened? Exactly buy only triggered. Go to the settings and enable buy targets. And you can remove the MGR point. Since buy activated, there is no sell. If a sell hit, we have to go for the reversal entry upon confirmation. That's all our setting. See here, buy activated, first target and second target also hit. But usually what we will be doing, we will be keeping only tiny to stop loss and tiny to target. Clear? So now you tell me what has happened, whether a sell hit or target hit. I will just show you by zooming out so that you will understand properly. See, in the first candle at 9:48 our buy triggered. Next candle itself we got the target. Once again market is falling, but if you look at the candles which are very bahubali, we will be waiting for the confirmation. What confirmation? Bullish R3C or bullish engulfing or any doji. So here we got one confirmation. Again we can go for the buy entry. So if we have taken the buy entry from here, first target, second target, third target also hit. Once again market has fallen to our buy zone. Again first target hit. See here. Again market is coming down with the bearish engulfing, and once again buy activated, all the targets hit. So this is how our indicator is working. Now you can ask me what happened to Nifty. Why you are not showing Nifty? Because our aim is not to trade in all the script, but to trade in any one script and be a profitable trader. That's all. So what happened? First buy activated, no target given. Second sell activated, first target, second target, third target also hit. Once again it has come exactly to our sell entry, again 2 targets hit. Again it came near our sell entry, again 3 targets hit. See how exactly it is respecting to our support and resistance. Now one more thing I will show you, which is called as known market. What is known market? If you are going for office, you cannot trade in the morning. If you can trade only in the afternoon session during your lunch period, then you can go for the known market trade. See here, perfectly our buy entry got activated and 2 targets hit. So here you can either keep tiny or tiny to stop loss, because if you see the stop loss, it is coming only some 60 points. If you want to keep 30 points, make it 30. I mean tiny 2. Since buy activated, I am removing the sell, enabling the buy targets. See here, exactly buy activated, first target hit and second target hit in the known market. Hope this is clear. So this is how we have to trade. And we have not done any changes in the indicators, only we have just modified the optimization technique. Okay, only optimization technique we have added. If you want to see the table format, then you can enable summary table. So the summary table will show you what is the buy value, what is the sell value, MGR point, second buy, second sell, RSI value and ADX and all. So today ADX value is 10, there is no movement in the market, but fortunately as usual we have got the targets and exact entry. If you have any doubts, please ask us, we will be happy to help you. Thank you all, bye bye, all the best.